it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and this is my Stitch Fix box number, I want to say 12 or maybe 13. Y'all know Stitch Fix is by far my favorite clothing subscription service. I've said it, I'll say it a million times. It's good quality, the prices are affordable, it's fun. So what we're going to do in this video, like always, is take the clothes out, show them, try them on, talk about them, see what we think about them, and then hopefully you can help me decide what I want to keep. Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk about is something that I specifically asked for, and it was a Shimmer beach tote. So I put a link in the request in my notes in Stitch Fix requesting like a shimmery type beach bag. And this one is what they sent. I was so excited when I saw the like cheat sheet of things that was coming to me. It's the perfect size. It's the perfect color. It's like so pretty. However, I told so many people this. I was so excited when this was coming in the mail that I was like, it's done. I'm buying it. 100% I'm buying it. However, now that I'm seeing it in person, it's not my favorite. It's not very structured, meaning there's no feet on the end and it won't like stand itself up. I also don't like that there's no logo on the outside anywhere. I mean, it's not cheap. And for that price, I would just like some sort of logo saying what it is on the front. It does come with a little pouch on the inside, which I think is cute. It matches. And it just like hooks to it. This would be cute. You could put your like, ooh, it's like leopard on the inside. You could put your cell phone, your keys, your debit card, whatever you wanted in there. What brand is it? It's the brand Soul Society. I mean, it's pretty. Don't get me wrong, but I think it's $65. And for that price, is it? The tote, yeah, $64.95. I mean, like I said, it's just not my favorite. So I think I'm going to send it back and we're going to do a do-over and I'm going to say, listen, I loved everything about this except I would love one that's a little more structured. I don't mind paying that price for it as long as I love it. So this one, unfortunately, is going to go back. I mean, she's on the right track. I'm not sure who my stylist is. We'll get to that a little bit later. They're on the right track. My stylist this month is Jamie. I believe that was the same stylist that I had last month. And I loved a pair of shorts. And she mentioned that too in the note to me. Like, hey, glad you like the shorts. Okay. This, I thought I would hate, absolutely hate this. And then I put it on my body. And I know y'all are going to love it. Y'all love maxi dresses on me. This is beautiful. It's like the perfect fit in the bust. It cinches in at the waist. It's long. I have nothing bad to say about this. The quality is great. It's like almost, yeah, it is double lined. So if you didn't want to wear a bra, I probably wouldn't wear a bra with it. That's just me. The straps are thick enough to where you could wear a bra. Ooh, they're adjustable. They're adjustable. You could wear a bra if you wanted to. You could wear, obviously, a strapless bra. But just for me, I probably wouldn't wear one because that's how I roll. If I can be more comfortable, then that's what I'm going to do. But this blue is just... Could you see this, like, just with a pair of sandals, like, going to dinner one night? Or, like, if you had, like, an outdoor wedding or something, how pretty would this be? I don't know how much it is. I say that I love it. But I don't know how much it is. Let's see. This is the brand Maggi London. I know it's in a size 18. It's called the Kensington Knit Maxi Dress. And it's $84. That's the most expensive thing in this box. $84. Now let's move on to these olive green. They're called trousers. But they're just like linen shorts. I love them. I thought they would be a little bit long for my liking, but I think they're a really flattering length. They fit perfect. These are a size 18. Did I say the brand? It's Liverpool. They're called Olive. Yeah, Leicester linen trouser shorts in the color olive, and they're just so comfortable. Like, these would be really cute with just like a white cotton top with some sandals. Just easy breezy, throw it on. It's not too short. I thought it was really nice. I liked them. So let me know what you think down below about these two because that was another favorite that I had. Let's see. These are $68. Now to the next top. This is adorable. It's this black and white striped sleeveless top. But in the back, it's got like a little surprise like cutout with a little bow. How cute. This is the brand, oh, Market and Spruce. I love Market and Spruce stuff. This is in a size 2X. I feel like it's a little bit snug for me. I know y'all aren't going to say that because we have this conversation almost every time I try on something from Stitch Fix. So I feel like it's a little snug. If I kept it, I would like to get a size larger just to make it a little bit more flowy. So far this box, minus the bag, so far this box is doing pretty good. All right, so this top is $44. So last thing in my box is this like black and peach cardigan. It's from the brand Kaylee. It's a size 2X. It's like that slinky, stretchy material. Don't mind the outfit that I'm wearing with it in this try-on portion because I just threw it over the shorts and that striped tank top. So obviously it doesn't match, but it's okay. I like the color. I don't know if I like the fabric. I think that's what's getting me. I would almost rather it be, I'm not sure, but I don't know if I like the stretchy. It's a little bit heavy. It fits great though. No complaints there. The length is great. The armholes, all that good mammer jammer stuff is fine. It's called the Odessa Kimono Style Cardigan. And let's see. This is $48. Okay, so how Stitch Fix works, if you're not familiar, you pay a $20 a month styling fee. Your stylist puts your box together, sends it to you. What you like, you keep, and then you pay for. What you don't want, they send you this like pre-packaged or prepaid posting slip that you put everything in, you send it back. You're just out that 20 bucks. However, what you want to keep, they deduct that $20 from your total. So if I kept everything in the box, my total is $308.95. However, if you keep everything, they give you a 25% discount minus my styling fee. I could keep everything for $211. Now, the only things that I'm not really fond of would be the bag and that cardigan. What I absolutely love are the shorts. Like, hands down, I want to keep the shorts. The maxi dress, I love it. Honestly, I love it. I just don't know how likely it is that I would wear it. That's the only thing. So let me know in the comment section what you think. I'm posting this video today, the day I'm filming it, because I like to hear your opinions before I send this stuff back. You know, you have X amount of days to send it back. So I want to know what y'all think before that like deadline hits and I have to send everything back. Also, something else that Stitch Fix sent me and I heard about before I got this box, they're doing kids now. How cute is that? So you can do a box for kids. I know they do men's clothes. Brian actually ordered a men's box, so when it comes in, he'll try everything on and we'll do a little joint video to see what he likes and what he doesn't like. He said that he would do that for me and like try everything on. So yeah, they do kids now. I'll put a link to sign up for Stitch Fix in the description box down below. I mean, it's proof in the pudding for me. This is box whatever. I believe it's number 13. It'll be in the title. But that just goes to show you, I pay $20 a month for this box out of pocket. Like whatever I want to keep, I pay for. So I pay for this. It's not that Stitch Fix is asking me to make these videos. I love it that much that I continue for over a year to order this subscription box. Okay, so that's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.